Hello everyone. In today's session, I want to deal with the scanner class. So before starting the scanner class, what is the first step you have to do? You have to open Eclipse IDE, what you have installed. Wait until it will open. Now I will demonstrate a simple example using scanner class. What is the main usage of scanner class? To give values during runtime. So you have to give the values during runtime. So it is opening. So whoever did not install Eclipse IDE need to install, and after installation it will show the desktop. It will show on the desktop. So it will show the installed path. Select a launch. Now it will open Eclipse IDE in your laptop or system. So now I want to demonstrate a simple exam to find out the volume of a cuboid using scanner class. What is the first step you have to give? First of all, go to File, New, Java Project. I'm just giving the project name as scan, and I want to select next. Click on finish. See, here it is there. You can see the left side, and whoever not able to see this one, you have to see the left side. Left side you can see the project created. Right click on scan, new class. I want to create a class, and I want to give the class name as volume. Please select only main method. So you have to find out the volume of a cuboid. What is the package name you have to give? Well, already you created the scan package. And that is the name of the package. Here you have to write import java dot util dot scanner. What is the formula for volume of a cuboid? Length into breadth into height. So I have to give here double data type L comma B comma H. What is here? You have to create the scanner object. Scanner, give any object name. I'm giving the object name as yes. I want to insert it even with new keyword. New scanner system dot in. What is the object name here given? Yes. You have to read L value. L is equal to S dot next. What is the data type you have given? Double. So select next double. Inside the main method you have to include with semicolon. B is equal to S dot, next double, H is equal to S dot, next double. You have to give length, breadth, and height values. Whatever you have given the length, breadth, height values, it is going to read during the runtime. And you have to store here some variable, give another variable v. V is equal to length into breadth into height. Now you have to print the volume, that is variable v. And if you want to print any message on the screen, use system.out.println. Whenever you want to print any message, enclose in double quotes volume of cuboid is. Whenever you enclose in double quotes, append the result with plus. What is the variable stored here? V. Use semicolon. Let us check this program. Save this program and click on run. It will ask here length value as 3.5, breadth value 4.5, 5.5. So you have to multiply 3.5 into 4.5 into 5.5. Again, run this program. 3.5, 4.5, and 5.5. So volume of cuboid is 86.625. You have to multiply 3.5 into 4.5 into 5.5. That will give the result. So this is the usage of the scanner class in Java. I hope you understand, and whoever haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, put like, and share with others. Thank you for watching.